Today I'm going to show you the breakdowns of how to create viral dancing videos you have seen on Twitter and YouTube, on other social media. Very simple in Chrome Viral. You just chose a target dancing video. We have one here. You can see this video right here. We're gonna use this dancing video as a reference. Then we're gonna use in the image. We want to turn dancing like this. We have an adorable child right here. We can make him dance like the one in the video. It's very easy to use in Chrome Viral. We can just say create motion control using this, and let's get it started. You can see it has handling the media upload, and now the AI is working. You can see start it's planning how to create video like this, and now it has finished the planning and start creating the video using clean motion control, which is very easy to use. You not to register for different platforms. You just let AI decide what it should use. Now the video has been generated. Let's check the results of this. The video looks perfect. You can create now in a similar way. It's pretty easy to use. Try it yourself.